Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? It is time for our Stamp and Die Hard Club announcement. I'm so excited about this set because sometimes I just get a little oh, I don't know which one. I don't know which one. So I give you both. Right? I mean, I just really couldn't make a decision. And whenever I'm like that, I just give you both of them. And then that way you get both, right? So here we go. It is called, and I'll explain the both part is part of the dice part, but it's called Beach Time because it is beach time, my friends. Show me the beach. And here we go. We have a fun little relaxing beach chair and a cute umbrella. Now, rest assured, my friends, yes, I love this. And yes, there is a stencil. Just saying. Here we go. So we have these cute little guys over here. We have beach more, worry less, relax, take it easy, got my mind on summer and summer on my mind. I love that. And let the sea set you free. I love that. Now, Stamp Club members, yours are on their way to you. Boom. You can be a Stamp Club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes the stamp set. That also includes the discount on the website, the club points, and all the goodies, right? $13.99 a month. But a lot of you are like me and you're like, okay, I love that idea, but I am not using scissors to cut out those images. I don't blame you. So what we do is we also have the Die Hard Club. That is our most popular club, the Die Hard Club. It's the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now here is where I went a little nuts because I should have, and we do the inside dies. That's kind of pretty unique at the Stamps of Life. We give you the shadow die and the inside die, so you can decide if you want that shadow around your stamped image. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then these two over here that have a whole bunch of cutouts. So normally I would have just done the beach chair and the umbrella and all these little extras, right? Well, I couldn't decide which beach umbrella I liked better. One of them, they look similar. One of them does not die cut the inside. It's just, it embosses the inside lines of the umbrella. This one die cuts the inside. So if you want to paper piece and make different colors of cardstock, you would use this one. I couldn't decide. One day I wanted one day I wanted the other, back and forth, back and forth. And I said, you know what? Best thing to do is give them both. Then I don't have to worry about it. So that's what I did. And then, of course, you're getting the little pieces of the shell and the little starfish and fun things like that. It also comes with a handy dandy postcard. And it also says, hey, there are other items that match this. Keep this with your set in your kangaroo pockets because it shows you the other items that are available. And then you can make sure you're mixing and matching correctly. It also has a couple ideas. The best part though, my friends, is our design team uploads all of their ideas to our website. So if you go click on this item on my website, you will see all of their ideas come to life, okay? Let's look at some samples. Here we go. Look at this one. I absolutely love that fun dotted circle in the center. There's that beach chair. There is that beach umbrella. Relax. Don't you just love that? Let the sea set you free. Look at those fun little shells stamped into the sand. I love that. I love that. Here we go. Got my mind on summer. Look at that. Ooh, that palm tree. That's a little sneak peek. Stay tuned for that one. Isn't that fun? I love, oh, and the inside, summer on my mind. I love it. Ooh, here's another fun one. That palm tree again is a sneak peek. I love that with the beach umbrella turned upside down, adding flowers to it. Isn't that pretty? Hello, with some cute little bees flying around. Look at that cute little palm tree with those flowers. I love it. Now here's a fun one. I love this one. Sheila did this one. This one has a whole bunch of beach words, which, some of those are sneak peeks. And look at, she made her own background paper and added that beach chair in the corner. Again, my friends, rest assured there is a stencil for these. So if you're not the type that likes to color, I got your back, okay? Some of us like to color, some of us want to stencil, some of us want to do both, right? So that's why you have the option to add on the stencil. Then here's another one by Sheila. Same idea, but using the beach umbrella, making your own background paper with just the words. How easy peasy is that? Isn't that fun? I love that. Adding the little scalloped edges around that. I love it. Here's another one, and I love this. This is using the beach chair as a mirror image. That is because she used our palette for mirrors. So you can mirror image that. Love that. Look at this is on a step up. This is on the square step up. And look at that. She added the cute sand castle, some extra sand. I love that. So much fun. Now, club members, you're good. You're in, right? You know the deal. You know Ken gets up extra early and gets those out on the first of the month. Woo! You don't have to worry. If you are not in our Stamper Die Hard Club, yes, you could go to our website and buy the stamps at full price. Sure, go ahead. Why not? But wouldn't you rather save money? Wouldn't you rather get a discount on my entire website every single day, every single item, every single order? Well, does that include? Of course, it includes everything. Online classes, everything. $13.99 a month. That includes the stamp set each month. It's always very general in theme. I design new ones every month, and it's going to be very general in theme. For example, I'm not going to design a stamp set for our club that is a gorilla wearing a tutu for a ballerina on a unicycle, right? That's a little too specific. That's my favorite one to say. But it's going to be more general in theme. It needs to appeal to as many people as possible, right? It's always going to be brand new. I design new ones every month. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Click join the club and just watch the video. It explains all of all this information and so much more, all the benefits, all the goodies that you're going to get, the freebies we send out, all that information. But the best part is, for as little as $13.99 a month, you could be in our club. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.